Hi friends, today we are going to unbox the biggest ever ride-on car, and stay tuned and watch us unboxing the biggest ride-on car in the city. So here we go, and with me is Angel over here, and Angel wants to drive her first ever ride-on car. Here goes the tires, big tires. And this. She's excited to open.
This is so cool.
Yeah, it's cool. And here's the vehicle. Now, over here, this biggest ever car, and that's how the box big is. I can fit in the box, and yes, Angel can head in the box. So now, let's get back into.
Yeah.
So here we both are fixing now, and that's my daughter Angel. Angel, come on, let's put in the rod.
Yeah.
You lift it. Let me put first, okay?
Okay. And I'll keep second.
Yeah. Okay.
Tell me if I need help.
Yes. Put in the ring.
Did it?
Can you put in the ring?
Yeah. Yeah, I can.
Perfect. Yes, goes down. This one.
Yeah, and I'll do the second.
Yes. Heavy over here.
Got it. I can be this strong.
Yes, Angel. Thank you, Angel. You're the best. And here we are putting the. Yes. And put the ring first. Ring. So guys, the four wheels are in now, and let's do the other. Yeah. Now we have two screws to tighten here on both the sides. So once you fix the seat, you have to just. So we had to join the battery inside before we put the seat. That we have done. And same thing over here for the steering. We attach this over here, and the tripod tire.
Yeah.
Okay, I forgot. And
There. See
now
all the wheels.
we have some more accessories over here. And let's figure it out. This accessory. We have a bumper, and we do have more glass over here. So that's your front glass. And let's open this. Now we have to fit the bumper, but what we came across is screws over here. So if you see, there are screws here. We need to unscrew this and fit this back. We'll do that shortly. It's on. So we fixed all the screws, and now we can lift by the bumper. Now we did an error. We showed you something which goes in the back, but these are the actual mirrors, and these are nice 4D mirrors for a nice 4x4 car, and which directly goes in, plugs in.
Yeah.
Like this. Screwed it over here, and yes, now we screwed it. So this way, now you screw, and that's a 4x4.
Yeah. And I'll screw now.
Yes. And now, Angel, we put the last screw over here. Come on, Angel. Yes, you can do it.
I can do it.
Yes, and Angel fixed her mirror already.
Got it.
Yes. So it's a kid's toy, and it's quite enjoying experience, a joyful experience over here to do with Angel for a first 4x4 SUV,
Yeah.
right?
Or you can get it for your birthday.
Yes.
Or if you are going somewhere and it's very fun, you can.
And this comes with the adapter and also a remote control to operate.
Yeah.
And yes, now what is this, Angel?
Oh, I know.
What is this?
So
Okay.
this,
Yeah.
so this is something that we. Wait, this is the wrong side.
Mm-hmm.
Wait. Yeah. So we hang it here
Okay.
and we hang it here. See?
What here? We are ready in a short span of time. We assembled in front of you the whole vehicle, and look at the nice LED lights over here, and also these colorful lights, and also the bonnet. We have the LED lights also on the bonnet. And this vehicle, the first user is going to be Angeli. And Angeli, come on, give us a ride. Oh yeah, oh, she's doing style. Okay, perfect. She is going in. She is a 8-year kid, and yes, yeah, that safety is important. You want a helmet?
Helmet?
I have a lot of helmets for you.
Yeah, I can.
Which helmet do you want?
I I'll push the car.
Okay, so we have a remote control over here, and with the remote control, now Angel can go straight, and you can turn it, and go towards the camera. Perfect. Thank you so much for watching. Now our utility vehicle is ready, and Angel is happy with her decision. And can you play some music for us over here, Angel?
Yeah.
Do you have some musical button?
Yeah.
Okay, let's. Oh wow! Oh wow!